and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is 3 key pronunciation errors in English and provides simple fix for each. The th sound. Many learners struggle with the th sound because it doesn't exist in their native language. They often replace it with an S, Z, T, or D sound. This can lead to confusion. For example, think might sound like sink, and this might sound like this. The fix to make the th sound, you must place the tip of your tongue between your top and bottom teeth. For the unvoiced th, as it think both. Push air out using your vocal cords. It's just a whisper of air for the voiced th, as in the mother. Use the same tongue position but vibrate your vocal cords. You should feel a buzzing sensation in your throat. Practice by saying the think and this whether silent letters. English spelling is not always logical, and many words, certain letters that are not pronounced, mispronunciations. These words is a common mistake. For example, saying the K in no, the T in listen, or the L in talk. The fix: you need to learn which letters are silent in specific word patterns. Silent K, it's often silent when followed by N. Think of words like no, knife, and knock. Silent T, it's often silent. It's words like fasten and listen. Silent B, it's often silent after M, as the limb and comb. A great way to fix this is to check the phonetic transcriptions in a dictionary whenever you learn a new word. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.